Greetings, everyone. This is Kamishara from Kamishara's Corner and Sensational Touch, and I am cutting some soap today. I'm going to be cutting several loaves of soap, hopefully. This is my lavender soap that I just made not too long ago, and I'm going to be using my crinkle cutter to cut it, and I hope I can do this without messing up too much. Oh shoot, I did it again. I need to move this over so that it can fit. This big part doesn't fit inside the slots, so I need to move it over so that it can fit. Okay, now I'm cutting this sideways. If you're wondering why, it's because I have herbs on the top of this soap. And what I don't want to do is to have the herbs drag down to the bottom and leave drag marks, which can happen when you're using dry herbs on the top of the soap, like these dry herbs. When you cut, they come down and they'll leave drag marks that'll create a weird looking design. So instead of that happening, I cut on the side like this, and if the herbs come off, which they of course will do, some of the herbs will come off, some will stay, it won't drag down and leave a weird mark on the soap. So we're going to have sideways ripples. See that? Creates a different cut, which is interesting. Sideways ripple instead of a up and down ripple. So I know you guys are still waiting for my soaping abroad that I did. I did some soaping at sea, and I'm having a hard time getting the video off my camera in a manner that allows me to edit it. So that's what's been taking so long with that video. And it's a little frustrating, of course, but we may not be able to edit it. I may have to leave in all the extra stuff that I didn't mean to leave in. Not bad stuff, just extraneous talking that's not necessary to be in a video. But I may have to leave it because I may not be able to edit it out. So, and that doesn't usually happen when I'm uploading from my camera to my computer, but all of a sudden, this time I'm having that issue. I don't know why. So this is lavender, if I didn't mention that. Little bits of soap down there and lavender bits. This is lavender scented soap. And I don't know if you guys can see my fingernails. They are horrid. I don't usually paint my fingernails, but when I went to the spa with my sister, we got our nails done, and it's time for them to come off, and I just haven't taken it off, so they're like half on, half off. It's horrid. It looks really bad. I'm not sure if that's showing up on the screen or not. So all of you out there who are looking for something to learn to do with your hands, we are having a new round of handmade beginner soap making classes. Our beginner bubble bash soap making workshops will begin. The first one will be at the end of this month. I have not put out the information about that yet. I'm not sure exactly what weekend just yet. I have to figure that out based on my schedule. There's like little bits of soap on the side that I can't get off. It's just sitting there. It's stuck. So you can look forward to that that will be coming soon. The Bubble Bash Beginner Soap Making Workshops will begin again this year. So we will have workshops in this month, in February. We will have none in the month of March. And you will soon find out the reason why we will have none in the month of March. Not just yet. Will not reveal everything just yet one time. But, But, oh, yeah, there's a lot that's coming off here. A lot of the herbs at the top that are coming off. See, there's some there. I don't know if you can see that come off. When I was cutting the other way, that drag mark would have come all the way down. Alrighty, so this is the last cut. So this one will just be a little piece cut off at the back. So both sides of this will have a ripple, unlike the very first soap that I cut. Alrighty, so there's not much herbs at the top of that one. Lavender handmade soap, smells wonderful. Get some of the bits that fell off on there off. And there's a very little extra piece left over. Just a little extra piece. Okay, so we're going to move that out the way. And we're going to move this one over. So I did 3 loaves of soap. This one is lavender. This one here is... I can't use the cutter because this shaped soap is just too big. So I'm not using the cutter for this, but I marked off where I'm going to cut. So I have to freehand cut it, and I'm hoping that the freehand cutting will be straight enough, because I don't always cut it straight. This is lemongrass. Lemongrass is one of my favorite scents. One of my favorite scents. So I'm going to try to cut it as straight as possible. And it has little bits of finely ground lemongrass inside. I don't know if you can see that. You can see little speckles. So I put no colorants in this. It's just the natural color of the soap and the essential oil that's made when you just add all those ingredients together and give it a little bit of personality by adding a little bit of dry lemongrass to the mix. And there you go. And that's how that was done. I seem to be doing a good job with getting these straight. I'm so proud of myself. Oh gosh. Cutting straight actually can be very challenging. You'd be surprised. You would be surprised how challenging it is to cut straight freehand. I mean, after a while, you do get used to it. It becomes a little bit easier. But it can be a little daunting. Oh, wow. You know, I don't know if you guys can hear my television in the background. I have YouTube playing. And all of a sudden, the voice just got really loud. So I don't know if you guys can hear that. or not. Oh, it is a little crooked. Oh, maybe not. I'm looking from the top down, and you're starting to see a little bit of the crookedness. Okay. And I think I'm going to take off the end of that. I'm not going to offer the back as a full soap bar. I can use that as samples. And this last bar can have design on both the front and the back. There we go. So we're going to put all those slices back up here. Let's put this here for a second. So we'll just put these back here for now until we put them on our drying rack. I actually have one more bar that I have to cut. So this last set will have a regular background that is smooth and one that is wavy. One more bar to cut. Let's see if I can get that done as well. That I can actually cut inside of my, okay, I have to make a mess on my table, but it's okay. So I can dump all of those little pieces out so that they don't end up on my next bar, because I'm going to use the same. I'm going to clean off my blade a little. And the last thing I'm going to do is I did lavender, lemongrass, and I did star anise. So that's the last one I'm going to do. So excuse me for walking away from the camera. So this is my star anise, which was a circular loaf. So that's the last one that I did. It smells like lemongrass. I mean, not lemongrass, licorice. I'm buddy. I just cut lemongrass. I got lemongrass on the brain. And I also have 2 extra bars because my mold doesn't fit the entire batch. So I have 2 bars with the Ginamye symbol, which is a Ndinkra symbol that comes out of Ghana. So I think I'm going to just cut off very, very ends. If I can do this nice and neat. Okay, just so that the soap can have, let me turn it around. It might be easier to do it freehand. So all the bars can have the edge that is crinkly. Okay. All right, so once again, this is a bar that has no, okay, I'm going to have to cut this freehand too, because these bars are going to come out too small, and I don't want them that small. I want them a little bit bigger, and a little bit bigger in thickness, because I really like to cut on the table like that. Let me get another one. Oh, I have one. Okay, this is good. Okay, much better. I like to cut on a paper. Okay, I want to cut these a little bit thicker than bars that I would normally cut, because the circular bar, oh, that's a pretty design. That's not going to stay like that, by the way. That happens. I gotta get them the same thickness. So this is another bar of soap that I used no colorant. So the color that it came out to be just happened to be the natural color of the oils, the combination of oils. And I put a little bit of, oops, let's not do that. I put a little bit, is that still on camera? So you guys can see, maybe move that over some. I put a little bit of nutmeg, not star anise, not any ground star anise, but a little bit of nutmeg in the mix just to give it a little bit of personality. So, that smells so good, just like licorice. So the look of the bar, the coloring rather of the bar, is from the natural oils, the colorant of the essential oil, which is star anise, and the natural colorant of the nutmeg. So this is a really nice bar. And I have a friend who loves this scent, and I'm going to be gifting some of this soap to him and his wife, because I remember making this some time ago. I don't always make this, and he loved it. He was like, I really like that. So I was like, oh, okay. So some of this will be gifted to him and his wife, and I hope they appreciate it and enjoy it. As much as I enjoy making it. Oh, again, with my television in the background, it was so low, and then all of a sudden there's this burst of laughter by whoever's talking. I'm playing YouTube on my television, so I don't even know who that is talking, what channel is playing, but whatever channel it is, it's making lots of noise. So the sides of the back here, as you can see, kind of get a little messed up, but we're gonna see what we can do to make it pretty. So I think, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I don't want to leave it like that. I might do some designs around the side. We'll see what I can figure out. Wait, let's move this out of the way for now, because I need space to cut this. I want one thick, and I'll have a thin one that can be used as, okay, that can be used as, well, this one can be used as samples. Okay, let's put these all over here. Okay, so that's the last of my 3 soaps. I hope you enjoy watching me cut my last 3 bars of soap. If you'd like to purchase any of these, they can be found on my Etsy shop, www.scentsationaltouch.com. You can find the link of my website as well as my other social media platforms in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click the notifications bell so you can be notified when I will be uploading the next video. And don't forget to like, share with your friends. And thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now.